Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is about a little bit different kind of text to path. Kind of makes it look like it's going around this object. And in this, I'm going to make two parts. The second part, I'm going to actually make it go around an object. So take some text, whatever text you pick, and repetitive words or not even repetitive words, but probably repetitive words would work the best. And then take an ellipse and not necessarily hold down the control button, just kind of make an oval. And there's a lot you could do with it. You could skew it by going up, double clicking and get your skew button. You could rotate it, whatever you think your look wants to be. Now, we're going to go up to object and convert it to a curve so we can find out the length of this curve. We're going to go to, you have to do that it has to be a curve to do this. We're going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And we're going to hit right here, curve. We're at 22.3. Size doesn't really matter in this case. But you can see our text is only 15. So we need to make our text a little bit. So we're going to just kind of stretch it out a little bit. And we're stretching it out from the corner so we're not really just messing it up. And you probably want to go a little bit short. And then you go. Now, let me get all this stuff out of the way. We're going to take our text now. And I find it probably easier to mirror it upside down, because we can always change it, but let's try this. And then we're going to go to text to path, and we're going to put on the mirror on that. And we're a little bit short or we're a little bit long. We're going to try to get the happy medium. A little bit difficult, but we could change that. Now here's kind of the key. We're backwards so we can arrange it like this. But here's the real key. Go up here. When you have text to path done, it's going to give you this. And pick this one right here that's up and down. Look at that. Now, that doesn't look like it's going around. Now, I'm off my path and it doesn't really matter. But now I can kind of, skew my path a little more. I can I must have made a duplicate of it. I can bring it in a little bit, make it smaller. It's really spaced out quite well. You could always take the shape tool and change it. I went too far. And then you can always go here and go, change it to a point. But we can also, with the pick tool, you can rotate it a little, if you want a certain part of the word in front. I want to be able to read those two, and then you can actually go here in the distance off and because it's in an oval, so you can bring that in and out. So then all you do is just select it all, go up to object and break text apart and move this ring out of the way. Now, what's really going to make it stand out, if we make that text white and bring in a black box, go up to object, order, back a page. It really makes it pop. And it makes it look like the word are written around a circle. Anyway, stay tuned for part 2 and we will put it around an object and make an object look like it's going through there and actually make it better. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.